Viture Pro XR, the ultimate mixed reality headset for gaming and entertainment. Gadget to market. Welcome back to Gadget to Market. Today, we are checking out the Viture Pro XR, a revolutionary mixed reality headset that combines virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) for an unparalleled experience. With a stunning 1080p resolution per eye, a wide field of view, and a high refresh rate, the visuals are crisp and immersive. Whether you're gaming or exploring AR environments, the spatial audio adds another layer of immersion, while the lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfort for extended sessions. Plus, the wireless connectivity lets you easily stream from your phone, PC, or console, no cables needed. Whether you're into gaming, watching movies, or interactive content, the Viture Pro XR has you covered. If you're looking for cutting-edge tech that blends the real and digital worlds, the Viture Pro XR is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gadget reviews here at Gadget to Market.